Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice burger, easy method. Start by cooking short grain rice and seasoning it lightly with salt and a splash of rice vinegar. While rice is hot, mix gently and transfer to a mold or bowl to form bun shapes. Press firmly and chill the buns for a few minutes so they firm up. Prepare your fillings while buns cool and get ready to assemble. To assemble, warm your fillings and have sauces ready. Place one chilled rice bun on a flat surface, add a thin layer of sauce, then stack your protein and vegetables. Top with more sauce if needed, then press the second rice bun gently on top. Pan-fry the assembled burger in a non-stick skillet with a little oil to seal the outside and create a pleasant crunch before serving warm. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving time in the kitchen so you can enjoy better meals more often. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and grab it if you want a smart, simple read. Now let's get back to the video. Keep these tips in mind for a reliable rice burger outcome. Compressing rice evenly ensures each bun cooks and holds together. Using a nonstick pan and a touch of oil gives a crisp exterior without tearing the bun. If buns get soggy, a short reheat in a skillet restores texture. Serve right away for best contrast between crunchy outside and tender filling, and enjoy experimenting with different flavors and sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.